What's up, YouTube? So I'm super excited. I finally get to unbox my DJI OSMO Mobile 2. I ordered this a week and a half ago and it came in last Wednesday, and I have waited to unbox it so I can put it on video. So here we go. So what's in the box is kind of a styrofoam plasticky kind of carrying case that DJI makes, and it's got like press fit. And then what's in here is a micro USB charging cable. They don't give you the block to charge it with, so you have to provide your own. It's not very long, I'll say. Not sure if they just tried to make it small and easy so that way it doesn't take up a lot of space. Probably won't keep this around. I got a longer one for charging purposes. Next, we have the Osmo DJI Mobile 2. It's in there in press fit. So first impression is it's a plastic body. It has some rubber kind of grommets so that holds your phone. It also has these adjustment knobs that are actually made out of metal, so that's pretty high quality there. So you got two adjustment knobs right there. You have a USB port here, so that way you can actually plug in USB-A here and then charge it on your phone. So you can actually charge your phone off of this actual unit. There we go. And then you have the micro USB charging port. And then you have some buttons for the actual unit itself. So it looks like you have a mode button here and a power button. So I'm assuming if you hold on to that button, it'll turn it on. And you got some indicator lights here, probably charging indicator lights, and a record light maybe. You got a record button. You have, looks like this is a joystick, left-right joystick. So I'm going to assume that you can actually move the actual unit itself. And then you have telescope and wide angle, so you can zoom in and out. And that is pretty much the unit itself. Oh, forgot to mention. So then you have, I don't know if you can see it here, focuses, there we go. It looks like a 1/4 inch screw hole, or threaded screw hole. So that way you can mount this on a tripod. They do sell a stand that you can just kind of press fit in the bottom here that you can just set it on, and it'll stand without having to screw it onto a tripod. Other than that, I mean, this is pretty high quality stuff here. This is actually my first DJI product, but I've seen their drones and I absolutely love them. I just need to quit talking about it and actually purchase one and go ahead and get used to using one of those. So let's look at the manual. I forgot to mention. So with DJI, they actually sell insurance on it. 15 bucks gets you insurance. I think it's called, actually, it's Osmo Shield. For 15 bucks, it protects you against accidental damage coverage and includes water damage. And it's free two-way shipping. So you can ship this one back for free and get a new one back for free. It covers up to 2 years. The original warranty on this thing is 1 year. So it covers up to 2 years, and then you get one free accidental claim. So if it gets wet, it stops working for whatever reason, and it's on you, it's damaged, they warranty it out for free. So 15 bucks, I couldn't complain about that. The actual unit itself is $139. It's probably one of the cheapest DJI products they sell. But for the capabilities of it, it's rich in features. I forgot to mention that this does have its own app. It's called DJI Go. It works for this gimbal and a few others. You can use the app itself, so that you can do the hyperlapse and the motion lapse and all that, or you can actually use your stock iPhone or Android camera. So the first thing you need to do is you're going to take this before you turn it on and get your phone mounted in here, in the clamps here. They expand out on spring loaded. So you want to get your phone mounted on here, and then you're going to get it mounted on here and kind of balance it out. Perfect. And then once you get it mounted and balanced, then you can actually turn it on. I forgot to mention, you're probably going to want to charge this before you start playing with it because it's probably going to be low on battery life. And Last thing you want to do is get excited about using something new and then all of a sudden you need to charge it and you can't use it. So let's go ahead and get the phone mounted on here and see about getting it balanced. So the phone itself needs to be flat, and then the arm needs to be flat as well. And once that's balanced like that, then you're good to go. So there's an adjustment knob right here, and then to adjust the tilt here, so to move this, you push on here to move it this way, and you push on here to move it that way, and it moves the carrier itself on this part of it. So we need to, now that it's sitting there, we need to balance it more to the right. So it's slowly, and then it's pretty good. Is that good? Yeah. So let's go ahead and lock that down. All right, we're back. So now I have it connected to the mobile app, and it connected through Bluetooth. It was super easy to set up. I wish I would have had it on camera for you. I'm sorry I didn't get it on there. But you literally turn on the phone, turn on this device, then you connect to the DJI mobile app, you open it up, and then it automatically knows that the device is right here if your Bluetooth is on, and it says you want to connect. And it goes through all of the authentication, all that, and then all of a sudden, now we have the device is fully functional. So now it should be, I have a few adjustments to make here. As you can see, it's not quite level. I'll deal with that in a little bit. But now you can see, so if I want to move it over here, and then I want to move it over here, it slowly moves. So that way it stays on kind of plane. So I can move it down, move up. And now, so if I go on a walk or a run real quick, or even on a car ride or scooter or anything like that, it will keep it so it doesn't, you don't get that the walking effect where it jars back and forth. So now the joystick itself, I can use that and I can move it left and right, and then up and down, and then I can use the app to zoom in and out. One thing I noticed, there's a bunch of buttons on the app itself. So you got your phone battery life right there, 46%, mine. You have the actual unit itself, you got right there, it's 100%. You have the home button, camera mode button. Looks like you can do different modes here, settings. You can change it to picture or video. Let's do video. And then you can change to slow motion, or time lapse, or hyperlapse, or motion lapse. So let's do motion lapse. So it gives you a video and shows you how to work the actual device. Let's turn that off. It says move the gimbal to the next position. So do that. Hit next. Oh, there we go. And then we'll go right. And hit next. There we go. And start. And it is slowly moving it. You can change the time and all that, so you can speed it up or slow it down. So this worked really well on B-roll footage for me. You must do that so that way it saves one battery life. So anyway, you get kind of the gist of the actual gimbal itself. There's tons of uses for it. This is my first time using it, so I'm gonna take some time getting used to it. Probably post another video once I get more familiar with it, and that way I can give you some tips and tricks. Maybe do a tips and tricks type of video. Other than that, I'm super excited to start using it for B-roll footage. Hopefully my next video has some B-roll footage from this, and maybe it'll spice up my videos just a little bit. Other than that, like I said, it's $139 brand new. $15 gets you the extra warranty. You don't have to buy it. I'll go ahead and link the product in the description. If you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you have any questions on this, go ahead and put it in the comment section below. And if this is your first time here and you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.